Welcome back, everyone. This is the continuation of our video series where we are discussing about developing a program for converting the given number to its word format. In this video, you will be learning how to convert a number which is multiples of 10, let us say. So let us say we are trying to represent multiples of 10. Okay. So these are the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 90. So these are nothing but multiples of 10, and there is something very common among all these numbers. And as we just said, these are all multiples of 10. So of course, these are all divisible by 10. So if we divide them with 10, the resulting values will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, by intuition, you must have realized that these values can be considered as index positions, as we have seen in earlier example of 0 to 9 numbers. So these are the values, and by now you must have realized that even these can be represented as index positions in an array where the values are words of 10 multiples. This is how the array might look. The array contains, I'm leaving the first index position, that is 0th index position, empty for now. And 1 contains 10, 2 contains 20, 3 contains 30, 4 contains 40, and so on. And how to access this value? Let us first try to implement it. Let us first of all add the 0th index position also, because somehow if the 0th index position is given by input, 0 is taken as the input, then some value must be there to access. So let us modify it further down, and we will get this. That means I am providing an empty string for 0 index, that even if the empty string is returned back to the result text field, of course it won't bring much difference. So this is why the empty string here. So this is our complete array. How do we use it in our program? First of all, let us write an array part of this in our program. Let us go back to the code. You know how to write arrays. Okay. Let us represent the same in JavaScript. Let us give the array name as tens, because all of them are 10 multiples. This is how the array might look. I'm giving tens as the array variable name, and the first index position, that is 0th index position, I'm giving as empty string, and then 10 for one index position, 20 for 2 index position, 30 for 3 index position, and so on up to 90 for 9 index position. So here I'm going to write the same thing again. I'm writing var tens is equal to first empty string, then 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, 70, 80, and the last one 90. Okay, now our array is ready. How to access now? First of all, we need to check. Let us modify this array statement, comment statement from here to here, because this is where we are doing the single digit conversion. Let us say now I'm having 10 multiples here. Okay, so here I want to write code to convert 10 multiples. So first of all, I need to realize that the received number, which is already passed here into the number format, is a 10 multiple. How to test whether it is a 10 multiple? If the received number is divisible by 10, then I know that it is a 10 multiple. Right? I'm just calculating the remainder of the number divided by 10. If it is equal to 0, that means this number is divisible by 10. If number is divisible by 10, then I know that it is a 10 multiple. Okay, so I have to capture its quotient. That means 10 divided by 10 will give 1. So 1 index position is 10. 20 divided by 10 will give 2. 2 is the index position of 20. 30 divided by 10 will give 3, which is the index position of 30, and so on till 90. So I have to capture a variable for that value, index position. So let us give a variable name var index. Give it a value for now. Here index is equal to number by 10. Okay, so the quotient value of the number when divided by 10 will give me the index position for this particular tens array. And then I will repeat the same statement like this here, but instead of writing number here, I will write index, because index is the quotient value, and whenever, let us say, number contains 20, then 20 divided by 10 will give me 2, index position is 2, and when that index position is passed here into the array, here I have to change the array name also. My array name is tens, so let us make it to tens. So when I pass this index position 2 to tens, when I pass it to 2, let us say 2 is 20. Now that 20 value will be passed to this particular result field. Let us check this code. Okay, go to this, execute it, give 10, submit 10, wow, then give 20, 20, then give 50, 50, then give 60, 60, then give 80, wow, and then give 90, 90. What about 100? 100 is also divisible by 10. Undefined. Now, undefined is a type of JavaScript which says that JavaScript does not know what that value means. So, in our code, we have not written 100 here, first of all. We don't know that it is 100, and so that value is not accessed here. So, in this particular code, we have to take care of that situation where the program might fail. So here we are going to also check and number is not divisible by 100. Number percentile 100 is not equal to 0. Okay, I don't want to include any 100 divisible numbers. Okay, I just want those numbers which are divisible by 10 but not by 100. Okay, so 100 is a number which is divisible by 10 and 100 both. When we are performing an AND operator here, then you know that it acts as a logical AND operator where if this is true and this is also true, then only the whole operation is treated as true. Okay, so if let us say I got a value for number as 100 in our previous case here, then number divided by 10 will give me 0 and number divided by 100 will give me 0. So here I'm checking for not equal to 0, so this will give me false. So true and false will give me false, and so it will not be executed. So let us save it and then run this program once again, and here directly check for 100. Submit. Again it is giving me undefined. We don't want undefined at all. So let us modify the code once again. So what might be going wrong? We know that if we give the value as 100 and 100 is when divisible by divided by 100, the remainder will always be 0. And here we are checking if it is not equal to 0. This must be false, and true and false must be false. So this must be not getting executed. Just to test it, let us write an alert statement here, and let us say I'm inside this 10 multiples if block. Okay, just to make sure that this is getting executed or not. Okay, let's go back to the execution. Execute it again, give the value 100, let us say, and submit. Of course, I'm getting undefined and this alert statement is not executed. It means, of course, this block is not getting executed, and we are getting this undefined value from somewhere else, maybe. Where else we are assigning the result field with. This is where we are assigning the result field with. That means this value is getting executed even before it comes here, and because this part is not at all getting executed, so this must be assigning the undefined value. Why is it assigning the undefined value? Currently, number value contains 100 and words array does not contain the 100 index position, and so it gives the undefined value. So let us confirm it by hiding it, save it, and then run it again, give the value 100 and then submit. As you can see, there is no problem now. That means if this is where it is failing, so we have to somehow correct the code in such a way that we only get 0 to 9 numbers, then 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90 numbers. Or we have to modify it further in such a way that it works for all the numbers from 0 to 99 at least. Okay, we will see how to work it out in the next video. Thank you.